Hi everybody, my name is Brandon. I'm the Vice President of Policy at the Polytechnic campus, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to register to vote. So first and most importantly is to visit asu.turbovote.org, which you can see on the screen right now. Once you hit Get Started, you'll get answers to some basic questions such as your legal first and last name and how you'd like to receive updates on election information by text or by email. So, first we fill out our information and press continue. TurboVote will ask for your preferences. I do prefer text message. Then once you've gotten through that, it will ask if you're registered to vote. If you're registering for the first time, click the No, I'm not sure button, then you will enter in your address. This can be either your permanent address or your campus address. When inputting your address, you can be sure to include your dorm or apartment number in registration. This is essential for the system to work correctly and efficiently. If you're already registered, follow the directions to update your registration. Make sure to do that well in advance of Election Day. Each state has different deadlines, so be sure to look up the deadlines for where you're registered. But for now, we're going to pretend that we haven't registered to vote. So where do you want to register to vote? I'm just going to input my address really quickly. So Arizona offers online voter registration. However, you should know you need an Arizona ID to register that way. If you don't have an Arizona issued ID, you can still register to vote, but you need to register by mail. Just follow the steps on the website to verify your driver's license number or get registration by mail information and finish registering. In Arizona, you can also register to be on the permanent early voting list to receive your ballot by mail. You can sign up for voting by mail at azsos.gov/vote-by-mail. On your screen right now, you should see the upcoming election dates and the voter registration deadline. Make sure to keep these in mind when registering to vote. When you get to this screen, answer all the questions on the screen in order to verify that you are eligible to register to vote in Arizona. This is where you'll need to have your IDs handy. In order to complete your register to vote, you need to have the last four digits of your Social Security and your Arizona driver's license or identification card number. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can input optional information such as your party preference. You do not have to fill out all of this information, but it is recommended. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to sign up for the permanent early voting list and receive a ballot by mail, or you'll be able to go to the polls to vote. You'll also have the option to receive your publicity pamphlet via email or by regular mail. Congratulations, you've now registered to vote. Click Register to Vote and your application will be completed successfully, hopefully, and you will now be registered to vote in Arizona. Make sure to use this asu.turbovote.org link to register to vote. It will direct you to the correct website no matter what. Remember, the last day that you can register to vote for the general election in the state of Arizona is October 5th, 2020. Sun Devils, make sure your voice counts in this election and every election. Sun Devils, vote.